Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to change the wallpaper automatically on your computer, then watch this video. The first way we can change it is through the Windows settings itself. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on personalization, background, and we will change this picture to Windows Spotlight. And you can see that the wallpaper has changed, and this will keep changing periodically if this option is selected. Now the second thing we can do is we can download the Bing wallpaper app and use it to change the background wallpaper. So we will look for Bing wallpaper app download, and we will click on this link. Now we will scroll down and click on install now, and once it installs we'll open the file and run the installer. Now since I already have it installed on my computer, it will be in this panel. So click on the arrow and then right click on the Bing wallpaper app, go to settings, you can click on daily wallpaper refresh, and it will change the background daily. Now the last option is to go to the Windows Store and we can search for desktop wallpaper apps. Here we can click on install on Windows, or we can open the Windows Store and we can click on desktop wallpaper apps, click on it, hit enter, and you can see all these apps are there, and these apps are much better than this Bing wallpaper app or the default Microsoft settings Spotlight. So you can download these apps and you can change the wallpaper on them. They have various options and they have a huge library of photos also, and you can download a lot of photos from these apps also. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.